Hello aspirants, welcome to Bhagyalaxmi IAS Institute where passion meet purpose. So today we are going to discuss about the Anthropology daily answer rating program in 50 days only. So this is very useful for 2025 mains, and at the same time who are preparing anthropology it will be helpful for you. So in this 50 days anthropology program we will conduct the daily test series. Okay, so this program cost only 2999 for both papers. Every day you will get three questions with model answer and evaluation in 24 hours. Okay, three questions each day, and in 24 hours evaluation. At the same time model answer also you will get in this program. So come to the program. So this is useful for the test series and at the same time planning for the 50 days also will be useful. So 50 days plan. First one, day 1, 1.1, 1.2. So meaning, scope and development of anthropology and relationship of other discipline. So in this is a very simple topic, so that's why we can arrange it in one day. And day 2, main branches. This is a very important, and most of the questions are repeated from this topic. So in this socio-cultural, biological and archaeological and linguistic anthropology. So read very carefully this topic. And next, come to the socio-cultural anthropology 2.1 and 2.2, nature of culture and nature of society. These two are the important topics, and these are the simple topics also we can cover in one day. So that's why we are giving in one day. And day 4, marriage is very important. There is a question, most of the questions coming from the marriage topic also. It's a repeated topic, so read very carefully. Whenever you are reading, read very carefully. At the same time, law of marriages and examples and the definition, especially anthropologist definition you need to know. Okay, next, family. When you are reading about the family also, same blood relations, marriage and different types of family, so these are the very important also. At the same time, learn the definitions like thinkers. Next, day 6, kinship, ante in this kinship also, it is also a repeated topic, so this is also very important. When you are reading the kinship, there is a decent groups, decent repeated questions, decent groups, then double and bilateral. These are the important topics. Whenever you are reading, focus on the important topics and read itself. Day 7, so every day we have a exam on the same topics. Day 7, economic organization. Day 8, political organization. Day 9, religion. Okay, next, day 10, theories we are conducting in 2 days. Okay, anthropological theories, first classical evolution, historical particularism and functionalism. And the next, day 11, structuralism, culture and personality and neo evolutionism. And day 12, just revise all the above topics. Day 13, so day 13 also it is only for the revision, there is a no topic at all. But next, anthropological theories revision we are just conducting here. But day 12 you can revise all the above topics. Okay, and day 13 is culture and language, this is a very important. So question, most of the question coming from the about the language here. And day 8, day 15, research method, different types of research method, field work, what is the difference between the field work. Okay, and tool collections and schedules, questionnaires, case studies, life history, oral histories. So focus on this area. Next, again day 16, revision 7 and 8 topics. And biological anthropology, day 17. First of all, 1.4 and 1.5 we are conducting here. Okay, and because of in this area there is a less questions, probability of the questions are less. And day 18, 1.6. So 1.6 and 1.7, 1.7 very less. And if come to the 1.7, there is a questions 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 more focus. Okay, day 19, human genetics, this is very important, read it very carefully. Day 20, 9.2, genetics, about the genetics, Mendelian theory. So this is also very important in this hardware, but different type of theories also we can focus. And 9.3 also very important, this is the polymorphism and Mendelian population. Okay, causes, consequency. Okay, these are the very important chapters. And day 21, chromosomal and chromosomal abbreviations, this is also very important chapter. Day 22nd, race and racism. Okay, and day 22nd, 9.6 also, age and sex also here important, age, sex and population. And day 23, concept of the method of ecological anthropology. Day 24, revision for all the above topics. Okay, you can revise from 9.1 to 9.9, 9.8, because every some chapters you need to revise, otherwise you will forget. So remember, focus every day, try to recall yourself, and one day you should you should keep for revision, because revision is very important. Day 25, concept of the human growth and development. Day 26, 11th chapter completely. Day 27, 12th chapter. Okay. Next, day 28. So now I hope now still here you will get the flow. So after that you can start eagerly. You can start very less time. You have a very less time. So you can use every single day, single hour, single minute. Okay. Now, see here, paper 1, Principles of the Prehistoric Anthropology, and day 29, paper 2, 1.1, Evolution of the Indian Culture and Civilization, and day 30, Revision. Day 31, 1.2, 1.3, because these two topics are important and very, it looks like very simple, but it is a very lengthy topic, so need to revision. And day 31, Paleoanthropological Evidences, and day 32, Demographic Profile of India. Day 33, 3.1 and 3.2, matlab structure and nature and caste system. These topics are very familiar to UPSC aspirant, because these topics are we read already in the previous GS paper also. At the same time, we read in our paper 1 also. So these are the familiar. Okay. Next, day 34, revision. Day 35, come to the day 35. Day 35 is a sacred complex and nature man spirit complex. This is a very very important. Read and impact of the Buddhism, Jainism. These also we already read in our ancient history, yeah? But still you can read here very 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 carefully, because here is different from the GS. And day 37, it is a revision. Day 38, Indian villages. Day 39, also Indian village. And day 40, 6.1, 6.2. Okay, tribal situation in India, about the Indian society. And day 42, 6.3. Okay. And day 43, 7.1, problem exploitation, schedule caste, schedule tribe. This is the very very important chapters. And at the same time, social changes ఏమున్నాయి అనేది కూడా చూసుకోవాలి. డే 44, కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎథనిటీ. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. డే 45, 8.1, impact of the Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity. These are the familiar topics, but what is the impact, and we need to learn. And 8.1, 8.2. And day 46, 9.1, 9.2. Day 47, 9.2, 9.3. And again day 48, revision. Now full length test. Okay, this is the day wise schedule. Every day you will get the test. Okay, I will share all the details about this. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and please share. This video is very useful to the who are giving this year of exam. Okay, thank you.